I run a fitness studio and I regularly used to post the fitness codes on my Facebook page. And here, thinking of the content and creating a new social media post every day was a very difficult task. So, in that case, I have automated the entire process, which automatically search for the content about my post and create a new post on my Facebook page as well. Yes, here on my screen, you can see a simple automation that I've created using an amazing automation software and an AI tool that is Gemini, which automatically generates the content for my social media post and create it as a new post on my Facebook page as well. And it happens every day at a specific time. And now in this tutorial, we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up the simple automation for yourself by using this amazing automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to access the Pabbly Connect, you need to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see two options. One is sign in and the other one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if an existing user like me, then simply sign in. And here, if you're a new user and you are planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I have got a special discount code just for you. By using this special discount code, you can get an amazing discount while making a purchase for your Pabbly subscription. I have already automated my entire business, that too for lifetime, because currently they are offering the lifetime deal at a very cost-effective price. So go and get yours now. Alright, now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Connect by clicking on the Access Now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So now here to build a new connection, I need to create a workflow first. And for that, we're going to click on this Create Workflow button. Then here you can see two options. One is New Beta and the other one is Classic. Beta version is modern, fast and more flexible, whereas Classic one is stable and the familiar approach. So in this video, we are going to use this beta version by clicking on the select button, and then a create workflow dialog box appeared in front of us. So I'm going to give a name to my workflow that says AI automation for daily social media post creation. Then for the folder, I'm going to click on this drop down menu, and here you can see the multiple folders that I have with different names. So in this case, I'm going to select my folder as automation, so you can create and select it as per your requirement. Now here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So as you know that I want that this automation should run every day at a specific time. So in that case, we are going to use an amazing feature of Pabbly that is scheduled by Pabbly, which is going to help us to schedule this automation for every day at a specific time. Then for the app event, we are going to select schedule workflow and we are going to click on this connect. Now here it is asking how often you want to run your workflow. So you can have some categories such as at regular intervals, once, every day, days of the week or dates of the month. But as I have already mentioned that I want this automation to run every day at a specific time. So for that we are going to select every day, and for the time we are going to select the time as 10 a.m. You can select this time as per your requirement. Alright, then we're going to click on the save, and you can see it says, and you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully scheduled this automation for every day at a specific time, that is 10 a.m. Alright, now after scheduling this automation, what I want is that I want AI to generate the social media content for my fitness studio itself without me offering any post idea. So now in that case, we are directly going to connect our AI application in this automation. So here I'm going to use my AI tool as Gemini, but you can connect your OpenAI account or Perplexity AI as well. Alright, we're going to add an action step over here, and here I'm going to select my action application as Gemini. Then for the app event, we are going to select generate content, and then we're going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, we are going to select add a new connection. If your account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, it is asking for the API key. So to get the API key, we are going to click on this hyperlink available over here. and you can see it has directed us to a Google AI Studio account. So here I easily got directed because here I was already logged inside my Google AI Studio account in the same browser. So now here, after reaching out to this window, you need to select Get API Key option available over here in the left side bar, and here you can see some existing keys. For now I'm going to copy the existing key, but you can create a new key by selecting this option as well. Alright, we are going to add this key and then we are going to click on the save. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So let's move forward. Here it is asking for the text column. So in this text column, we need to add the prompt that we are going to give to AI for generating a proper social media post for us. So let me add the relevant prompt over here. Alright, here I've successfully added some details where I've added some instructions for the AI. So now here, after providing the instructions, we are going to move forward, and for the models, we are going to select the model as Gemini 2.5 Flash from the drop down. You can select it as per your requirement. Then for the methods, we are going to select generate content, and then we're going to click on the save and send test request. Here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received a short post generated by Gemini, as I have already mentioned the length over here in the prompt. So with this, we have successfully set up this action step as well. After generating this post, we are going to share it as a new post on our Facebook page that I already have with the name The Yoga Nest. Alright, we are going to add an action step over here, and here I'm going to select my action application as Facebook pages. You can connect your social media accounts as per your requirement. Then for the app event, we are going to select create page post, and then we are going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, we are going to select add a new connection. If your account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, we are going to click on this connect with Facebook pages. Here I'm going to select my desired Facebook account, and then I'm going to click on this continue and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. And you can see we are now successfully connected. So it easily got connected because here I was already logged inside my Facebook account in the same browser. But if you're building a new connection, then it might ask for the account credentials first. Alright, let's move forward. Here for the page, I've already shown you that I have my page with the name The Yoga Nest. So we're going to select the same page from the drop down, and then here it is asking for the message. So now here I need to add the content which I want to share it as a new post on my Facebook page. So now here, instead of entering that content manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I received on my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that you're going to receive a new content through Gemini, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So to map the data, we are going to enter a slash first, and then we are going to map the content generated by Gemini. So this is the content generated. Here this link URL is not required one, so we're going to leave it blank, and then we're going to click on the save and send test request. And you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully created a new post on our Facebook page. So let's go and check it. Here I'm going to refresh it. And here you can see we have just now posted a new post on our Facebook page with the same content generated by Gemini. So with this, we have successfully set up entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we've selected our trigger as schedule and our action as Gemini and Facebook page, so that every day at a specific time this automation is going to run, and it is going to create the social media content for your Facebook page. After generating that content, it is going to automatically share that content as a new post on your Facebook page or any other social media platform as per your requirement. Alright, so these were the very simple steps for AI automation for daily social media post creation. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then don't forget to use my special discount code that is available in the description box below. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit this URL. Now, if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.